I was here when they built the very first car. Like he said, I was in the body shop at the time, and we were building them by hand at that point, you know.
I was here when they built the LeBaron and the Dodge Lancer in 1984.
Got a lot of memories with all of the crews that I've worked with over the years, you know, working together and being a team.
The people here at SHAP are unique. They're to themselves. They do things differently than everybody else. They bring new ideas and new methods on how to correct problems and how to solve problems in building the vehicle.
The people are wonderful to get along with over here. All right, it's teamwork, always working together to accomplish goals.
This plant was always able to get a good product, thanks to the union's leadership and the people that works here. Now me, I've been there 51 years, and I want to see these people, I try to train them to see that they build a good quality unit. This is their future, this is their livelihood. We belong to a community now.
When it comes to coming to work every day, I come to work and I expect to have a workforce that I work with that's capable of getting the job done, and from my point of view, they're the best people in America, and I think they can get the job done.
I love what I do, and I love because it's never the same thing, so I never get bored. I was able to have an advanced education. I met my wife. I was able to educate my children, and I'm able to teach younger workers how to do what they do the correct way and give them a good work ethic.
I mean, from building cars to building trucks to a plant that was on the slate of being closed and with nobody knew what was going to be expected here. It's amazing how far this plant has come and the future, what it's going to be.
Give your heart, put your heart into it. Give 100% every day. Stay focused, stay dedicated.